Okay, hi all. So we have Nikhil. So Nikhil, what was your previous company? TCS or
Previous company was Capgemini.
Capgemini? Okay. And how much experience you have?
Total 5 years of experience.
Fine. Okay. So Nikhil has somehow put down the paper without the offer. So again, like for 3 months, he didn't get any offer, but at the end, he was able to receive one offer. Right. So many of you have put down the paper without getting offer. This is not the time, first of all, to do this.
Sorry, Chetan, your voice is cracking.
Okay, okay. Yeah, Nikhil will only talk. Yeah, Nikhil, go ahead.
Yeah, am I audible? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll start with my short introduction. So my name is Nikhil Kajri. I have started my career with Accenture, and previously, just now I have left Capgemini, and currently I'm a city tech as an Angular developer.
Nikhil, sorry to interrupt.
So
Try to speak louder or try
hello,
removing.
hello.
Yeah, now better.
Yeah, so yeah, my name is Nikhil Gajpie. I started my career with Accenture basically, and just now I left the Capgemini and joined CTSTIC as an Angular developer with overall 5 years of experience. So coming to the notice period thing, what I have faced during my switch, I have faced some project issues recently in the Capgemini. So unfortunately, I have to put down the papers and I have no offer left, no offer after that. So basically, you need to keep on find out the plan. Basically, you need to do the set your priorities. Means what uh, uh, what company you are targeting and what role you are targeting. So not 3 months only. I have only 1 month. Honestly speaking. I have only 1 month without an offer. I don't have offer. So only 30 days notice period they have given me. So in this 30 period, I have gone through my studies and preparing that for Angular interviews. Basically, from Chetan sir, I have got the guidance from his YouTube channel. I have gone through his mock interviews and learning was completely on track. So I have take a help of that his LinkedIn post basically for the Angular interview questions. And regardless that some other topics also I have been covering along with my preparation. So while switching that, you have to keep this in mind. You have to be prepared in all case of questions. Means whatever the interviewer is asking, any type of question, so you have to be ready. Means whether it is scenario based, whether it is a code snippet question, whether it is a theory based, you have to be prompt with your answer basically. Means your answer should be ready. So always Chetan sir is also every time said that you have to be ready with your answer, whether it is any question like scenario and basically the code snippet and all. The code snippet is a secondary part. You have to do the hands-on practice on that. But coming to the scenario-based and this theory-based question, your answer should be ready. And yeah, the preparation must be going on. Coming to the how you will get the calls from Naukri or any other portals. So keep your profile 100%. That is the necessary basically. And along with that, if you are struggling with the 90 days notice period, so I'll suggest because if you put a 90 days notice period in your Naukri na, so you will not get called frequently that much. You have to be little play with it, like 30 or 60 days notice period. So you can put 60 days notice period over in the Naukri. So slowly you will get call, and along with that, take one offer. Then after you got the offer, then only put down your papers. I'll suggest in this situation you should not put your papers without an offer. Because I'll not say jobs are not there in the market. Jobs are there. we have to. Sorry, sorry. Hello,
Yeah, yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
hello.
Yeah, Nikhil, go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. So I was saying, don't put down your papers without offer. You have to play with the notice period. Basically, what I have just said. You are putting 90 days notice period, so you will not get the interview calls frequently. You have to play with it like 30, 60. Frequently, every day, update your resume in the Naukri. Do some keyword change and put the proper keywords in your profile. So there is one trick as well to update that key skill in your Naukri portal. Just give your role, what role you are looking for, the Chat GPT, and according to that, you can ask Chat GPT, give the most searchable keywords that I can get the interview call. So you can follow that strategy. So yeah, with the notice period, if you put 60/30, so you will start getting the calls. In that period, you just get one offer, then only go with the resignation part. As soon as you get the offer, you will be confident that yeah, you can we can crack the interview for the other companies as well. Or yeah, again, if you want to do some practice of the interview, so Chetan sir is providing the mock interviews as well. Along with that, if you want to do simple practice real time, so that small companies also we will get called. So we can take an help of that small company's interview. It's a mid-scale small startup as well. So yeah, that's how we can do that. So in my case, it was just a 30 days. So I have some HR contacts and all from my colleagues and all. So I try to get through it and connect with the HRs, regularly mail them, regularly take the update moments, what is the progress on my candidature. So yeah, this simple rules and steps I have followed. And yeah, uh,
Right.
this is
Daily, how
the
many
key
calls you were getting? Let's say last 15 days. How many calls you were getting daily?
last 15 days, you can say 2 to 3 calls.
Daily, right?
Yeah, daily.
And interview was getting scheduled every day or alternate?
It was alternate. We will get the invites in the Naukri as well. From that invites as well, it was get directly scheduled. So
Mhm.
from the directly mail and all without getting call. So yeah,
Can we quickly share your CV? Because most of us are having immediate joiner, still they are not receiving calls. You can just check.
okay. You want me to share the screen?
Yeah, just share your CV, but you can explain what things you
Just
have
a
done in
second.
your CV. Again, as Nikhil said, na, ki right now it is not the situation that you can just put down the paper. Yeah, as Nikhil said, like he was having some problem in his project. That happens. That is the only reason you should be putting down the paper, but not just for a job switch or a better package. People are jobless. So many people are jobless. So getting calls to you is a very big challenge, right? So try to get an offer, then you put down. That is perfectly fine. But this is not the right time to put down the paper without offer. You will seriously regret it. So many people are regretting it. Okay. Yeah, Nikhil, share it once you are ready. Yes, Saikuma, just wait for some time. He will just share his CV. We can see how his CV was.
Sir, yeah, I think it is disabled for me. The sharing screen. It's saying post disable the screen share.
Try to ask a request.
No, no request option is coming.
Try now. You'll be able to share. Try to share now.
Yeah, it visible.
Wait. Um, yeah. visible, but it's
Yeah.
zoom screen.
So
No, no, it's zoom screen we are able to see. Share the screen where you have opened your CV, either browser, or stop it and again share it. Select that particular screen or share, select complete screen.
okay.
Go to the CV now. Yeah, yeah, just zoom a little bit
We are
here.
able to see.
Get it? Yes.
So this is the two-pager CV I was having. Uh, you have to be very specific while adding the key points in your CV. The about me section should be specific to your experience and what you have worked. These are the basic things you need to follow, date of birth and all. And coming to the work experience part, if you if you're having multiple companies, you just keep specific. I have just put a five pointers to each company description. Along with that, next section is I have put education and training. Along with that, skill sections. Yeah, this is the main and very important sections. I can say the skills. Uh, you have to be very specific while adding the skills, key skills here, because recruiters search with you with the skills only, and on the basis of that, your resume will be the shortlisted kind of. And along with that, next is project. So here you can see I have added just the project name and what are technologies I have used. And in this AI era, I would suggest you to add this AI Copilot. Likewise, you can see here I have added this line. So experience in leveraging the generative tool AI with the AI coding assistant. So this kind of lines you can prefer adding in your resume. So it will again uh, makes the better CV, I can say. Here also you can see AI tools what I have used in each project. So this is new thing I have got discovered recently. And yeah, rest of all is the basic section language, honors and awards, what you have, certification things you can have.
Certification also plays very important. See, if
Yeah,
you check
certification as
just,
well.
if you check the CV, it's not very, so many people say, yeah, we should have one page CV. It's not. If you are a fresher, yeah, one page CV. But if you have experience, you have to show projects, right? So it's okay to have two-page CV. Use multiple project to add different keywords. Okay, like normally I am telling other people like how you can improve the ATS score. So just go to Naukri, find out Angular openings, let's say recent one, and copy the job description of the description. Let's say 10 job you see, copy the job description, put it into Notepad, then upload that Notepad to ChatGPT and your CV. Then ask it that here I have the 10 job openings description and here is my CV. Now check what keywords are mentioned in job description and what are missing from your CV. Check this and it will get you like
Yeah,
how many keywords should be there. Keywords are the only thing what people are getting called. uh, Vaibhav and Shital also got offers today, so they will also share their experience. But what do we say, just a minute, huh? Basic thing is CV ATS score, doesn't matter your preparation anything. First is like your CV score. So many people still don't know that ATS. People message me like what is ATS. This is not the time to ask that question. It's been almost 1.5 years that ATS is in the picture now. But if you are still asking that question only like what is ATS, then you are so much behind, right? People have gone beyond the ATS. Now just having ATS is also not enough because ATS is something different. It checks the formatting and everything. Now you have to go one more step or add all the related keywords related to your technology. Either it is Angular, .NET, Java, full stack. Add all the related keyword also. That is the next thing people are doing. Those who are getting the calls, right? So many will say,
yeah,
yeah, even after doing it everything, I'm not getting call. But people are getting call. So Nikhil has 1 month of notice period, but Vaibhav and Sheetal, those who have seen today's congratulation message, right? They both got offer with 3 month of notice period. Sheetal, I forgot who, what was the parent company, but uh, Vaibhav is from TCS. Yeah, Sheetal,
Hello.
correct. Sheetal, what's your current company?
LTM entry, sir.
Right. So see, Sheetal is there. She has got the offer with 3 months of notice period also. So companies are hiring, but again, your profile also, you should not be a frequent changer. Let's say even if we say TCS, Infosys, Wipro, these Indian companies, even Accenture also, they check how much period you are staying in the current company. Let's say every year you are changing, they won't entertain you. Why they will wait for you to wait for 3 months, na? So you need to show that stability also. If one developer is staying in a company at least 3 years, or even let's say max 2 years, so yeah, they will think if they will wait for you for 3 months also. Okay. Yeah, Nikhil, thank you. Thanks for your sharing the CV also because that will help a lot. And don't focus on formatting, it doesn't matter. It just needs the content, what content you are putting it over there. That is the content is getting your CV filtered. Okay. And again, Naukri 100% like what all the information field. Try Indeed also. If your experience is 0 to 3 or 0 to 4, Indeed also will play better. And again, LinkedIn. Some people have got interview schedule from LinkedIn also. Not every big company get means mid scale or small scale. They find the candidate from LinkedIn also. But again, your LinkedIn also has to be updated. Okay. Yeah. Nikhil, anything to add again?
No, that's all the point I want to add. Just that the specific to the key skills, what you have just added, I will say take the help of AI
Right.
again. You will get the keywords that will help you to again get more reach on your profile, so that you will get the calls. So yeah,
As I said, na
that's the
ki calls
strategy
are
I
there,
follow.
but
Yeah,
that is the first thing. Okay, sorry, we won't be taking questions. So this was a free meeting, 40 minutes, so it will end anyhow. Okay. One more session we are planning for Vaibhav and Shital will be sharing their experiences, their CV we will analyze. So probably there we will have question and answer session. Okay. Thank you, Nikhil. Thanks for your time. Thank you all for
yeah,
joining.
no problem. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.